Welcome to the 1 Minute Photography. In this video I will show you how to edit orange and black tone using Lightroom Classic. So let's go to edit. First go to the tone. Exposure -0.30. Contrast +70. Highlights -40. Shadow +25. Whites -70. Black +25. Next go to the curve and follow these steps. Next go to the presence. Vibrance +30. Saturations +10. Then go to the color mix. First go to the red, saturation -20. Luminance -10. Then go to the orange, hue -10. Saturations -30. Luminance +10 and then go to the yellow. Saturations +30. Luminance +10 and bring all other colors saturations to -100. Then go to the presence. Texture +15. Clarity +50. Dehaze +40. Then go to the effects. Vignetting -40. Midpoint +60. Feather +80 and then go to the color grading tool. Highlights +17. Shadow -24. Next go to the noise reduction. Luminance -5. Details -16. Color -35. Now you can save it as a preset and apply to your any photos. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.